Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K8. In this video I'll show you how to replace keycaps. In the beginning, to replace keycaps, prepare this tool. It's included in original package. Now, place this part over the key. Twist it a little bit to the side and then simply pull the keycap. Now, in the original package, we've got few additional keycaps. Select the keycap you are interested in and simply place it back on the switch. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.